Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Toby. I'm a mom of two. Today I am bringing you a 10-minute makeup routine that I wear every day to, when I really need to get out of the house for all the school runs and supermarket errands. And I know that us moms, we do not have a lot of time to sit at our dresser to put on makeup on for hours and hours on end. So yeah, I decided to, show you how to 10-minute makeup routine. And I am not an expert or anything, I'm actually still learning myself. And if you like what this video is about, please keep watching. I'm starting off with a moisturized face. Now I'm using Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser to prime my face to improve the coverage and makes my makeup stay longer. So I'm blending that into my face. Now I'm using MAC Studio Fix face powder, as I won't be using a foundation during this process. So I'll be using the foundation brush or face brush to smoothen as much as I can. So I'm trying to blend it all into the skin. So don't forget the neck as well, because you want the face and the neck to have the same color, I guess. I'm using a brow pencil for the brow beads. This is where I always struggle, but I try to make it work. I struggle with the eyebrows a lot, but I'm getting there. It's not my very strong. I'm using the LA Girl concealer in Chestnut to clean the brows, and just to make sure it's blended in properly and to define the brow as well. Yeah, just blend, conceal, blend, conceal. Yeah, and I'll also be using the same concealer for under my eye and the bridge of my nose as well. I prefer to use my finger to do this process for the brows, because it's easier for me. And again, there's no time to be using brushes, because brushes, I don't know, for me it takes longer. So I just use my finger to blend the concealer and to give my brow the definition that I want. Now using the same LA Girl concealer in Chestnut to conceal under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, just to give my face a little bit of color, because the face powder that I used earlier it's probably blended the whole of my face into one, and all the dimensions have all gone somewhere. So now using the beauty sponge to blend that concealer out, bridge of my nose, everywhere that the concealer is being applied. So I'm trying to blend it in as much as I can, just to, you know, to keep everything in place, and just blend it right through, because you don't want to be walking around and your face looking all crystal because you didn't blend your concealer properly. Blend, 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 blend. Bridge of the nose, the forehead. Yes. Oh yeah, and my jawline as well. I'm just putting the concealer there as well, just to add more dimension to my face. My face had dimension, but when I put the powder, it just covered everything. So now I'm using the concealer to bring back the color to my face. And blend, blend more, blend, blend. That's what I'm doing. And now I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to put the concealer in place, to keep it in place and to avoid creasing. So I'm just putting that. There won't be any baking here, because, you know, I'm trying to leave the house as soon as possible, but I still don't want to look like a clown, so I need to like make sure that my makeup is still done properly. So I'm using the brush to, you know, blend it all in and, you know, buff it off the excess as well, and just to make sure that the concealer is set in place. Yeah, and the bridge of the nose as well, just, you know, do that. And now that's done, I will be using a contour powder. Yes, the brown one there, a contour powder to contour my face and bring back the shape of my face and my jawline, just on the side of my face there, and, you know, on the side of the forehead as well. Not the forehead, just, you know, around the head, where we have all those dimensions anyway before we apply the powder and all the other things, and the side of the nose as well, you know, just to give you that contour look on the face. Like I said, I'm not a professional or anything. I'm still learning myself, so this is what I do if I want to look, you know, well put together while running errands and doing all the school runs. Now, oh, more color. Now I'm using this blush. I'm applying blush on my cheek, just a little bit, you know, not too much, just to add more color to my face. And the next is I'm using this Kiko mascara to thicken and lengthen my lashes, because I won't be using the eyeliner. I won't be using eyeliner. Eyeliner kind of takes a bit of time, and then, you know, you don't want to be lining your eyes while the liner moves funny, and you have to start all over again. So right, I'm just using the, you know, the mascara alone, just to, you know, bring out my eyes. And I don't know all the funny faces in in this video. I'm sure that we all can relate. Now I'm using this Health Nude / Pink lip gloss for my lips, and yeah, we're doing glossy lips today. There we have it. My face was looking a little bit powdery here, so I decided to use this matte fix spray. It's Revolution matte fix spray to blend it all in together. And yeah, blow, and yeah, it all comes together. And now I'm done. There'll be pictures of me at the end of the video going on about my day. This is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.